Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be backtesting gold on this application. It's called FX Replay. It's a website actually, and I'm trying it. I think it's nice. Backtesting ing. Okay, so I'm going to do a 50k account, which is more common for most of the prop firms. Okay, let's choose gold, initial date. So here I set random date in the past like 3 months, random date. So just give us two random dates here. Let's go with this one. Can we paste it? Okay, so 3rd of September. 3rd of September, let's say 1 week. So I'm just going to be backtesting 1 week, and let's see the results. I believe this FX Replay is a nice backtesting tool. It's actually convenient. So let me set the time zone real quick. I'm actually trying it for free, just in case I'm not affiliate or anything. So now I'm going to pre-London. On my time it's at 6 p.m, which is 18. Yeah, exactly right here. So this is now the pre-London time. So as you can see here, gold is like extremely bullish. It created this support on the 4-hour time frame perfectly. Okay, this is strong support on the 4-hour. There is also another support over here, over here. The 30 minutes also looking good on the 30 minutes, to be honest, but there is one issue: this candle with no bottom wick. Okay, so it looks like it broke out here. There is a wick to fill, but I'm just going to wait because this candle has no bottom wick. So I'm just going to wait for maybe a retest to this area. Yep, right around here. If we got a nice retest, oh, like here, exactly, that would be perfect. Okay, let's see. Yep, something like that. I want this 30-minute candle to close above this range. So it almost closed above. Okay, now it's re-breaking into the range. Let's wait a little bit more for the 15 minute. Okay, so it's going back into the range. We need 15 minute to close bullish green so we can enter the trade. 1 minute. Oh, this doesn't look good at all. I believe the price is like consolidating because there is a news soon. So now we need a candle to close above this area, just like this one over here. So in 15 minutes it will be sorry guys, so as I was saying, in 15 minutes there will be New York open. That's why we can see volume. It looks like it's not getting back. Okay, so we got a really nice breakout. This candle created a bottom wick. So this time actually is a really high volume time. So I'm just going to place a Let's check how long is this week. It's around 14 pips. And this one, oh, it's about like 22 pips. So I'm just going to place a buy stop on the break of these highs. So we are risking like a 0.5% for like about 2%, I believe. Little bit more, yes, 0.5%, because as you can see here there is 1 2 3 4, like almost 4 30-minute green candles. So let's see how will this trade play out. Okay, price is moving nicely, so now we are almost 1% in profit. I'm going to move my stops to break even and secure like maybe 80% of my position. Secure 80% and let the rest run to the TB. Oh, look at that. Did you just saw this rejection? It's like a 50 pip rejection. That's insane. Oh my god, look at that. So this was New York open volatility. That's why it's rejecting like this. But we secured like almost 0. I think 9, like almost 1%. It's really close to 1%. But now we don't care about this. We got our profit, so let's go to the next session, next day. I'm going to go to 6 p.m. real quick. Okay, yep, this is 6 p.m. right here, exactly. Okay, so as we can see here, that price is still consolidating, but let's adjust our zones a little bit. Okay, so above this area right here, we can see here that we have a bullish closure, and this candle now is creating a bottom wick. So if it broke its own high, there is a chance, high probability, that will go to the top of the range for like 45 pips. Let's check the daily. Okay, the daily is bullish. 4 hour is also bullish. 1 hour just opened now, and I believe it's creating a bottom wick. 30 minutes too. Oh, so there's only one concern, is that 30 and 15 minutes. Look, this candle closed with no top wick, so I don't think we can take it unless we get a closure above this area. Okay, so now price is just consolidating in this area now. Let's wait for the 30-minute candle closure. It will give us probably a clear direction. Oh my god, look at that. So if I was too quick, I think there was news this day, but I was anticipating buys above closure here. So you can see, guys, price just shot up. It shoot like this about almost 200 pips in like 1 minute. This was just literally 1 minute, guys. I think there was some news event. So when I see price moving like that, it's better to wait for retest. Okay, so now 1 hour candle is about to close. Okay, so 1 hour closed extremely bullish. I need to see a retest from this area, and then 1 15-minute candle need to close bullish, yep, like this, and then maybe we can take this trade on the break of the high. Let's check how much is the stop loss. It's about 40 pips, so I'm not really feel like I want to take this trade. Let me check the 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours looks super good. I think this is the all-time highs, and there's a really high probability that price will keep going up. Okay, so and this is London, New York Open is coming soon. So I'm going to risk like 0.5% here, around 250 bucks. And TP is the next till here, next $5 instrument. Let's see. Oh, that was awful, but I believe now gold can still keep heading up. Oh, look at that. So now it's going up, but it's okay. We was just risking 0.5%. It's not a big deal. So now this is my session time is over. Let's go to the next session. Next New York session. Oh, I actually got a little bit late today, so it's fine. Let's check. Oh, for our extremely bullish 31 hour, everything is so bullish. I believe if it rebroke, it's this all-time highs. This is all-time highs again, guys. So if it rebreak, it will keep moving up. Yep, like this. But I prefer to wait for a retest from this area. If I got any retest, I can take the trade. If not, then let's just move to the next day. Okay, so now prices, it looks like it's retesting this area now. Okay, I don't think it will give us a trade. We need this 15-minute to close bullish. Oh, come on. Okay, so now it's creating a bottom wick. I'm going to enter here. Let's see how much is this stop loss. It's about 20 pips. So I'm going to enter the full risk, which is 1%. TB is like 1 to 2. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to put my stops to break even. Okay, guys, it hit my take profit actually perfectly, precisely, and now it's rejected. Wow, just take a look at that. How interesting. So now my session is finished. I'm going to go one more day, and I believe that's pretty much it for this video. We need just one more day. Okay, no, I think one more. Yep, right about here. So now this is a new New York session. Okay, new top down analysis. I believe this was when the gold was heading to the all-time high. We have a support over here, we have a resistance over here on the 4-hour, and on the 1-hour we can see that price is rejecting from this area, but we also have support over here. So let's see on the lower time frame, 30 minutes. 30 minutes is, it moved a lot to the downside, so I don't think I can take this trade. Okay, it looks like it's heading to the upside to break these highs. Okay, we need actually a clear breakout before we enter the trade. Okay, we are just waiting now. Let's check 30 minutes. Okay, so this is like the impulse entry. I don't know, 34 pips. I don't think this is enough to take a sell, but if it created a support, or there is no support on the 15, so I don't think we can take it. This can just dump now, but because there is no enough range, I will not take this trade. See, just as expected, but this is, so I usually don't take trades less than 40 pip range. Look, it's just 30 pip. I don't take this kind of trade, only 40 pips and more. There's a high probability. So now it looks like gold is gonna dump, to be honest, but I prefer waiting for New York Open in 30 minutes. It will be New York Open. Okay, so this 15 breaking the previous. It was actually a beautiful trade. We could have just took this trade, 27 pips for 40 something. Okay, 15 minutes closed nicely. Let's check the other time frames on the 1 hour. It looks like it's gonna break now. So actually I believe if it broke this all-time high, it will not give us, oh, it's a little bit lagging on the 30 minutes. So if it broke, it will just keep moving up. Oh, nice. This is a really nice setup here. So I'm just going to place a stop, buy stop right about here, buy stop, and we are going to wait till it gets activated. Okay, so now stop loss is going to be like here for about 2%. Okay, now stops to break even, and let's secure something around 75%. Let's secure that and leave the rest to run. So the reason I took this trade is that whenever gold break its all-time high, it never goes back, or it just moves like minimum 100 pip or something. So that's why I took this trade. It was a really nice trade, executed perfectly. I believe now it will keep moving up. Oh, look at this rejection over here, but it moved like 66 pips, which was more than enough for our trade. Let's check the analytics. Okay, so this shows that I have 75% win rate over 4 trades. I know it's a few, but because shortage of time, I cannot do anymore. I got to go. I have something to do. So we got 3 winners and 1 loser. It was 0.5%, and our winners was about, the average one is 1.7, like almost 2%, and the best one is 2.3%. Duration is like 7 minutes. Yes guys, and that's pretty much it. Actually, I'm just trying this application now, and I'm not an affiliate or something. This is how the equity curve looks like. So this is just in 4 trades, guys. In 4 trades I'm up 4.7%, like almost 5%. So that was pretty much for today. If you guys like, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and take care.